Okay, so I have them all chopped up. You can see that's a lot of chives. So this is going to take me a while to wash them up and get them all prepped. So the next time you see the chives is when they're going to get ready for whichever project this video is for. And I have a scaredy dog because it's raining and there was some thunder. So she will be up my butt the whole time. Alright, so after getting the oil done and the vinegar done, I am left with this much chives, like stalks, or not stalks, not the hard bits, but the softer bits that I can dehydrate for chives. So we're going to go put these on the dehydrator. Okay. Yeah, onto the dehydrator we go. All right, so it's been 2 days and these are all dry. Set that down there. Now, this is going to take me a little bit because I need to go through and pull out all of, I don't know how well you can see that, but these really hard chunks, because what those are part of the stalks from the flowers, because I really just didn't want to try and siphon through and pull all those out. Well, I was cutting these and that it was just more work than I wanted to do at that moment, but I'll do it now. So there we go. Dehydrated chives. Actually quite easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed and I will talk to you soon. Bye.